Hey everybody, it's Hailey, and today is day 19 of the pumpkin challenge. I cannot believe this. Only 2 more days. Today we're making pumpkin French toast, and normally I love French toast. And I actually just realized this is a healthy French toast recipe because there's no sugar, and you can really use whatever bread you want. And it's got some good protein from the eggs and the milk. So I have 4 eggs here, and I'm gonna whisk them up a little. You don't really have to do this. This is honestly a super easy recipe. You just mix everything all together. So then I'm gonna pour in 2/3 cup of milk. You can really use whatever you want. And then I'm gonna add in 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. We've got our spices, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. I'm gonna put that in there. And French toast normally has cinnamon, so I don't think this should be too big of a flavor change to where it's like, whoa, that's crazy. And then you're gonna add in 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. You know what? I'm just gonna eyeball it, because why not? And you're gonna whisk that all together. And that's basically it. Now we're ready to cook them. The best thing to do is use old bread. This is a great way to get rid of some old bread you got, because it's better if it's just a little like dry or stale. But I've also made French toast with soft bread plenty of times. It turns out fine. It just absorbs the liquid faster, and so it can kind of get soggy. You just gotta be careful. I'm gonna heat up this skillet to probably a medium low, and put some butter in it. You can use oil if you want. Then I'm gonna take my bread, dip it in this egg mixture, and you wanna soak it for probably 10 to 20 seconds, depending on how stale your bread is, and place it in the pan. You might be able to see around the edge, you can kind of tell it's getting more cooked on the bottom. You can just look at it underneath, see if it's ready to be flipped. You want to give these a chance to brown a little on the other side before you flip them, so just check. Okay, then just check the other side. These are looking good to me. Now it's time to try one. I'm gonna take this one from the bottom. That way it's a little cooled down. And you can top these with whatever you want. You can top them with powdered sugar, syrup, maple syrup, butter. I'm going to use some maple syrup. Oh, this turned out so good. The bread absorbed the liquid nicely. Okay. Just so you know, this ended up making 11 pieces of French toast for me, but it's usually different depending on, you know, how old your bread is and lots of things. This turned out so good though. This is like the perfect fall healthy breakfast recipe, and it's very easy. You could even cut this recipe in a 4th if you are in a hurry and you just want to make a little, or you could save your liquid in the fridge and make it tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is the last day of the pumpkin challenge, and that means I will be making pumpkin brownies. This is the last dessert that I have. Woo! If you're new and you don't want to miss any more recipes, make sure you click subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you next time. Bye! Today is day... Wait, what's today? Ooh, it's like glob glob.